Hey everybody, Chris here. So it's Dogecoin bull market time. Are you ready? Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. I'll be live late Friday night this week, Friday 10 p.m. East Coast time. So join in for a later time for the chat. Be pretty mellow tonight. Maybe if Dogecoin continues rocketing like we're seeing now, it should be pretty exciting. So not too long ago, I put out this video about this epic bull run coming. Be ready. And some people were like, hey, Chris, you shouldn't keep pumping this because it may not happen. Well, all the indications I was looking at then were pointing to what is happening now. And here we are. And there are others saying the same thing. The charts are backing it up. So let's go ahead. Let's take a closer look at what I'm looking at. So we'll start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart, over 12.5 cents now. We did have a little sell-off yesterday down to 11.5 cents. That corresponded with a Bitcoin drop down to 60,500. Bitcoin recovered overnight. So did Doge, but this pent-up demand for Dogecoin and futures interest, which I'll show you, is leading to the beginning of another breakout. This is all bull market stuff. And as I retweeted or reposted on X, you can follow me on X at ChrisPax. This is from Plan B. He's marked the end of the accumulation phase and beginning of the bull market. His Bitcoin market cycle plot here has turned from blue to red. Blue is accumulation, red is bull market. That's where we are now. He's saying bull market is here, and we are seeing it on the charts as well. And Dogecoin is popping up on volume now as I'm recording. And this is, again, a long-awaited run for Doge. And not only Doge, but there are other cryptos as well running, and I'll show you some of those as well. Why is Dogecoin moving? Well, we've got, again, Dogecoin up over 40% in the past 24 hours, continuing a rally as what we see is futures. Futures interest is now at a record $1 billion. Nearly 70% of these are on the long side. Again, what we have seen before in the past is Dogecoin goes on a run and you typically get heavily shorted. Right now, though, yes, there is a 30% short interest. Those shorts, though, they're going to get squeezed out and they're going to get wrecked. This is not the market to be shorting cryptos. This is bull market now. They're going to get wrecked. This 70% here that we see, these are futures. They're betting the price of Doge is going to go up from here. So can Dogecoin take over the meme coin parties? Again, it's things kind of go in phases. Typically, we see Bitcoin go on a run, typically followed by Ethereum, altcoins, and meme coins. However, the meme coins are accelerating this upward move now before the real altcoin season. Yes, we've had some altcoins running like Solana and others, but the memes are running with it. And this is all really pre-mega bull rally, which really typically doesn't come until the fall and into 2025. We would see that. Everything is accelerating this phase from the previous cycles based on this great Bitcoin run that we've had so far. FOMO is starting, and what we are seeing is, again, social dominance beginning to climb. We see that in Dogecoin. Not too long ago, we were talking about how the social dominance was nothing. There was nothing going on. This is all starting to spike up as we see Dogecoin social dominance taking off according to sentiment. This is looking across news articles, looking at social media platforms. There's so much more talk about Dogecoin now. That is happening. That is what we see. Meme coins. The meme coin fever is back. We've seen it on a number of memes from last summer, starting with Pepe. We saw Bonk come back big. We saw a number of other smaller memes making people a lot of money, but then they would just die back down. But we see these bigger ones now coming along. And what is this going to be going forward? I see these sort of big memes, the big meme coins happening. I mean, look at Dog with Hat now. WIF is now a top 100 cryptocurrency. Pepe back in the top 100 yet again, up 25% now. Now we've got Jasmy. We've talked a lot about Jasmy. Jasmy's been up and down. It's going back up again, another 10%. Bonk settling down a little bit, but we look at the Bonk price and yeah, Bonk is starting to move back up. Again, it was a little higher yesterday, but it's moving as well. This is the action that we see. Doge, according the past 24 hours, down a little bit, but we see it moving this morning. So that is what is happening, particularly about Doge. This is a great chart here. This is the monthly chart looking back to 2021 and the big run up to 74 cents. Now, this is the area that we're looking at. This is the area ahead for the next year of trading. Dogecoin showing a big green candle on the monthly. Where is this going to go from here? This chart is projecting that we are going to see this big bullish run on Dogecoin. What is Elon Musk going to do? I know, you say, it doesn't need to rely on Elon Musk, and it doesn't. However, that potential is out there still for Elon. While it's not yet confirmed, speculation is again now rife that Doge may be implemented in some way onto X, that's X Twitter, a long-held hope by Dogecoin investors as far back as the early Twitter days. That is happening. The meme coins among the top crypto gainers over the past 7 days. These top meme coins are outperforming BTC and ETH, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu starting to wake up, Pepe, Bonk, Dog with Hat. These are the biggest memes now, all in the top 100 cryptocurrencies. This is what's happening this cycle, is people are excited about these meme coins. Where will they go from here? We do have Kaleo had this great chart. This is the DogeBTC trading pair. I've shown this a lot during my live streams and some of my past videos as well. What we've seen since the high back in 2021 after Doge went on its big run and how it has performed against Bitcoin. And certainly for the past year, yes, it has been down. Bitcoin has far been outpacing Doge. However, this is anticipating a Doge breakout back up to previous highs that could happen in its Doge BTC trading pair. That is what we're looking at going forward. We see this inflection point coming soon with Doge. That points to a breakout. Kaleo says, makes the most sense. Doge will eventually round out the meme coin rotation with a violent move versus its BTC pair. Don't sleep on the king of memes. That's Doge. And then he says, the pump hasn't even started. So this is what we are anticipating. Now, where will this go from here? Well, can Dogecoin hit $1? If Doge can close weekly above 10 cents, which it will, it's not going to drop below 10 cents for the end of the week. That's on Sunday, because we see now Dogecoin going up to 12 and over. So that looks like coming bull market manifesting its destiny to $1. Do we see Doge dollar coming forward this bull market? That's what we'll be watching. Dogecoin price prediction, as a Doge now sees $5 billion flood in, Could $10 Doge be possible? Now, we've covered this before in different charts that have shown the possibility of a $10 Doge, but I say let's not get ahead of ourselves. $1 first. Of course, we've got to get over the previous high. That's that 74-cent mark, and it's going to be tough, I think, for Doge to get over that because of there's going to be some profit taking and selling going on the way up for Dogecoin. But that's what we're going to be watching for is while this Doge price begins to skyrocket and continues, we're going to see more and more news out there about Dogecoin. Dogecoin's going to be in the major media right along with Bitcoin. And we're going to get a lot of new people coming into crypto, and they're going to be buying Dogecoin. Many of you, I know, the first cryptocurrency you bought was Dogecoin. And then you branched out to other cryptos like Bitcoin, which is why I still think Dogecoin is very good for the overall cryptocurrency market. That's what we're seeing. We're seeing the meme coin leader, that is Dogecoin, likely continue to tracking Bitcoin's and Ethereum's price movements over the spring. In addition to the hype around ETFs, anticipation over Bitcoin's upcoming halving is also driving prices. So we have the halving coming. We have the possibility of an Ethereum ETF maybe in May, and that's just starting of the overall cryptocurrency market bull run. But with Doge out there, yes, very unlikely $10, but there's room for hope the Doge army can pump their favorite coin to $1 before the year is out. So that is what we're targeting in this bull market just for this year, and then we'll see where we go from there. But this is, I mean, everything is looking like bull market has started. Dogecoin now up over, it did not drop down below 11 cents. It didn't go back in the tens. I was saying, hey, if it can drop and hit 11.99, that would be good. Dropped a little bit more, but did not get down to 10.99. Others were saying, oh, Doge is going to drop down to 8 or 7. Nope, not happening. Not happening, guys. Too much good open future interest for Doge. This is pent-up demand. We're going to see FOMO kicking in. Dogecoin and other meme coins are going to go higher. Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? You think Dogecoin going to make it to $1 this year? It's going to be very exciting. Please give the video a like if you haven't already. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit that little notification bell too. Appreciate all the support. We'll see you next time.